Welcome to 영K뉴스. The average selling price for a 59 square meter apartment, the floor plan most favored by real demand buyers in the Seoul housing market, has, for the first time, officially surpassed 1 billion Korean wons. Despite the government's repeated introduction of real estate cooling measures, analysts suggest these policies have proven insufficient to curb the persistent price surge. An analysis of transaction data by the real estate firm Jikbang shows the average selling price for a 59 square meters apartment in Seoul as of the end of last month was 1.05 billion won, approximately $760,000 USD. This marks an increase of approximately nearly 100 million won compared to last year's average of 972.6 million won. The price hike has been particularly intense and concentrated in Seoul's core areas, often referred to as the Han River Belt. By district, Gangnam-gu recorded the highest year-on-year surge at 16.7%, closely followed by Mapo-gu 15.9% and Songpa-gu 15.8%. All these districts recorded double-digit growth rates, indicating an aggressive demand for prime locations. The severity of the surge is best seen in Gangnam-gu, where the average 59 square meters price jumped from 1.78 billion won to 2.08 billion won, an increase approaching 300 million won. In areas with high concentrations of luxury apartments, the average price for a 59 square meters unit in several sub-districts exceeded 2 billion won. In stark contrast to the boom in central Seoul, the city's outer districts showed signs of stagnation and even decline, pointing to an intensifying market polarization. The price increase in Dobong-gu was limited to just 1.7%, while Jungnam-gu remained largely unchanged from last year. Worse still, Gumcheon-gu and Jongno-gu saw average prices decline by 1.8% and 5.5%, respectively. Analysts suggest that in these outer areas, transactions were largely concentrated in lower-priced listings, which suppressed the overall average price increase. Experts cite two main reasons for the surging demand for 59 square meters units. First, the latest new apartment designs for the 59 square meters layout feature superior space efficiency and innovative planning. This makes them highly attractive to real demand buyers like young couples and three-person households, keeping demand consistently high. Second, amidst tightening loan regulations and overall rising prices, the 59 square meters apartment represents a relatively less burdensome option compared to the larger 84 square meters national floor plan. This financial factor has caused demand to concentrate here, while the growth rate for the 84 square meters unit has slowed. Analysts predict that the trend of concentrated demand for smaller floor plans, influenced by financial conditions and changes in household structure, will likely persist. This has been your news update.